Hi, Brian here from Cars again. Update on our Chevelle Malibu project, 1967. Behind me you see the frame here. Brandon's been working away on the frame. We got suspension. This is the point where it's sort of hard to see the progress that's going on, but we're making daily progress here. We've got the new disc brake conversion on the front, all new spindles, calipers, shocks, springs. The back, we've rebuilt the 12-bolt 373 posi rear end. Chrome cover, run fuel lines. There's a lot of work been done here. In the background you see the body. Pat's been working away on that. He's got all the panels welded in. He's welding in new mounts for the seats. Somebody had carved off the retainers for to hold the back seat in when you put it in, so we sourced them out from a donor car, putting them back in the same spot. The new floor pan, we have to cut it to put the shifter bezel in on the floor where the shifter mounts and comes through, and Pat's researched exactly where that's supposed to go, and he's welding that in. We're pushing hard to get the body ready to go to the painter. He's ready for us. We've pretty well got everything done there that has to be done. Next thing is Pat's going to mock up a carrier trolley so that we can put the body on. After he trial fits it, he's going to trial fit it on the chassis here, and once he does that and knows that everything's good, then he's going to make this trolley cart for the guy at the body shop so he can get around all the corners and paint everything, make sure everything is detailed and sprayed. The body man has a lot of little detail work to do here, but Pat has done all the work underneath. He's welded in all the panels and lined everything up and done a great job here at the shop while Brandon takes care of the chassis. So the machine shop, has the engine. They're working away on it, getting pretty close. We actually are going to get it back here. In another video I told you that they would fire it up there, but Pat, nothing against them, but Pat has chosen to put it in the chassis here at the shop, and we will fire it up and make sure that it's running fine. And I'm really anxious for that video for you, because you'll get to hear that sound, and that's the sound that really makes the pulse beat. So ultimately, we're moving forward, and we'll get together again shortly for another update, and thanks for watching.